Today we'll further proceed with exercise 9.4, that is question number 2. Today only we'll do question number 2. Okay. Now we have learned this how to do this multiplication. So again I am teaching you if in case somebody has missed my first video. Now in this particular, when we multiply binomial with binomial, okay, so what is the first thing that you have to do? You have to multiply this term with this whole binomial. That is how to write it down. First you learn to write 5 into this whole part, this whole binomial. And what is the second term given? Minus 2x. With this minus 2x also you have to multiply this binomial. That is minus 2x into 3 plus x. So this is the first step, which is very important. Now with this term you have to multiply all the terms inside the bracket. Okay. With this 5 you have to multiply with 3 also. With this 5 you have to multiply x also. So what to write? 5 into 3 plus is plus 5 into x. Now with this minus 2x you have to multiply 3 also, and with this minus 2x you have to multiply plus x also. So minus 2x into 3, minus is what? Minus plus is what? Minus 2x into x. Now we'll just write the answer. 5 3s are 15. Answer of 5 into x is 5x. Answer of this is minus 6x. Answer of this is 2x square. Now these two are like terms, so we'll solve this. Always see there is a like term or not. If there is like term, that further you have to solve it. Plus minus is minus, you have to do minus. That is 6 minus 5 is 1, isn't it? Which number is greater? 6 is carrying what sign? Minus 2x square. Now this is your required answer. Okay, let's see question number 2. This is x plus 7y, and the one is 7x minus y. The same thing we'll do. First we will do x with this whole binomial plus 7y with this whole binomial. Now we'll open the bracket. X into 7x plus minus is minus x into y. Now with this we have to multiply this 7y into 7x plus minus is minus 7y into y. Okay, now multiply this. So what will be the answer? 7x square. If you multiply this two, what will be the answer? Xy. Answer of this is 49xy, and answer of this would be minus 7y square. Again you see these two are like terms, as because they are carrying xy as a variable. So 7x square minus plus is minus 49 minus 1, it is carrying 1. Okay, 1 is 48. Now which number is greater? 49. It is carrying with sign plus, so we'll get plus 49xy minus 7y square. So this is the solution of sum number 2. So let's move on to sum number 3. This is sum number 3. So the same step we'll do, that is a square with this binomial with this plus b, we have to multiply this binomial. Okay, now let's open the bracket. That is a square into a plus is plus a square into b square. Now again with this we have to multiply b into a plus is plus b into b square. Now let's find the product. A square into a, how many a's are there? 3 altogether, so we'll write it down. The product of this would be a square b square, this would be ba, and the product of this would be, here is 2b is there, here is 1, so altogether 3. So this is your required answer. No like term is there. Okay, now let's do question number 4. Question number 4 is what? P square minus q square, and another one is 2p plus q. Okay, so now I guess everyone has understood what we have to do. P square into 2p plus q, exactly and with this minus q square we have to again multiply the binomial, that is 2p plus q. Now finally we have to open the bracket, that is p square into 2p, this into this, plus plus is what, plus p square into q. Okay, now with this q square we have to multiply this 2p, minus plus is minus, multiply this q square into q. Okay, now what is the product of p square into 2p? Product will be, there is no number is there, so 2 ones are 2, so how many p's are there? 3, so we'll write 3. Now p square into q, product with this only. Now if you multiply this, so the question will be 2p q square, and product this one will be q cube. Okay, now you find any like term. I don't see any like term. It is p q square and it's p square square. They are different variables, so we don't have any like terms out here. So this is the final answer. Okay, so today's assignment only this much, that is 2, sum number 2. All you have to do 4 sums. Okay, take care and thank you.